In this video, we will show you how to change language in Google. If you want to using another language than your current language, for example, in here, I'm using English. Now, we want to using the local language like Japan. You can click settings in here, then select the search settings. After that, you can go to other settings and select the language and region. Just click this and select display language. For example, we want to using Japan language, and be careful if you just using this accidentally, maybe you will difficult how to restore the language. Click confirm like this, and when you open the Google, you can see the search results also using the Japan language. And when you go to back the homepage on the Google, maybe if you accidentally using another language that you don't understand, it's difficult to change the language. Just make sure click this and you can select search settings. Okay, in the first options, and select this, and you can select the globe. Okay, the globe it's mean the region and language. So you can just click this and select the globe again. Just type English if you want to revert. Okay, just click yes on the right position here. Now your Google back to English again. Okay, and that's all how you can change language in Google. It's mean in Google Home or Google Search results. Thanks for watching.